Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you about a new lesson 2 of NCERT book of Hindi of class 4. जैसा सवाल वैसा जवाब. And I'm going to explain you and translate it both Hindi and English. So let me tell you about the lesson. It's जैसा सवाल वैसा जवाब. As the question, so the answer. Now, if we are giving a waste and unwanted question to someone, we'll get the same in return as answer. That is unwanted and incomplete answer. So, we should be careful regarding this. And this story is very interesting and funny. And it's mainly about Akbar and Birbal. They are the famous people here. Akbar is an emperor, Badshah, and let me explain you it Hindi then English. बादशाह अकबर अपने मंत्री बीरबल को बहुत पसंद करते थे. बादशाह अकबर, नाउ बादशाह अकबर इज द एम्परर ऑफ हिंदुस्तान. एम्परर अकबर, a great king. Mantri is the minister. They are the courtiers of the king, and that is Birbal. And he is the favorite of Akbar. बीरबल की बुद्धि के आगे बड़े बड़ों की भी कुछ नहीं चल पाती थी. सो बीरबल वॉज एन इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन. His speech has been very wise and he is known for his intelligence in the whole of the court. And this is the reason why many of them have been having jealous with him. इस कारण कुछ दरबारी बीरबल से जलते थे मीन्स they were jealous. Darbari here is the courtiers, all the other ministers available in the court of the king. वे बीरबल को मुसीबत में फंसाने के तरीके सोचते रहते थे. Now here it is, since he was very famous, Birbal was very famous and everyone knew him about his brilliant intelligence. So every other courtiers, darbaris tried to put him into trouble so that they may be more intelligent. They may prove themselves to be more intelligent compared to Birbal. Now, pasand means like. Buddhi means intelligent. Okay? अकबर के एक खास दरबारी ख्वाजा सरा को अपनी विद्या और बुद्धि पर बहुत अभिमान था. दरबारी मीन्स कोटियर. अभिमान मीन्स हैविंग प्राइड. सो वन ऑफ द स्पेशल कोटियर ऑफ एम्परर अकबर नेम ख्वाजा सरा टुक प्राइड ऑफ हिज नॉलेज एंड विजडम. बीरबल को तो वे अपने सामने निरा बालक और मूर्ख समझते थे. The Khwaja Sara thought Birbal to be a mere foolish and utter child, as if he don't know anything, and the Khwaja Sara himself to be a very wisdom person. लेकिन अपने ही मानने से तो कुछ होता नहीं. दरबार में बीरबल की ही तूती बोली और ख्वाजा साहब की बात ऐसी लगती थी जैसे नक्कार खाने में तूती की आवाज़. नक्कार खाने में तूती की आवाज़ मीन्स समथिंग विच इज़ वेस्ट टॉकिंग, अनवांटेड. एंड तूती बोली मीन्स वाइज टॉकिंग. सो what we understand by this line? Birbal was famous for his wise speech in his court, while Khwaja Sara was just like a waste and unwanted speaker. But he thought himself to be a wise person. But actually no one liked him. ख्वाजा साहब की चलती तो वे बीरबल को हिंदुस्तान से निकलवा देते, लेकिन निकलवाते कैसे? What Khwaja Sara wanted? He wanted to throw out Birbal from Hindustan, but the problem was, how could it be done? He keep on taking chance to put him out. एक दिन ख्वाजा ने बीरबल को मूर्ख साबित करने के लिए बहुत सोच विचार कर कुछ मुश्किल प्रश्न सोच लिए. सोच विचार मीन्स टू थिंक thoughtfully. मुश्किल मीन्स हार्ड, डिफिकल्ट. So one day Khwaja finally decided to prove Birbal to be foolish by giving him some hard and difficult question to answer. उन्हें विश्वास था, he believed, कि बादशाह के उन प्रश्नों को सुनकर बीरबल के छक्के छूट जाएंगे. छक्के छूट जाएंगे means finally Birbal will be defeated and he will lose and ख्वाजा सरा will win. और वह लाख कोशिश करके भी संतोषजनक उत्तर नहीं दे पाएगा. फिर बादशाह मान लेगा कि ख्वाजा सरा के आगे बीरबल कुछ नहीं है. ख्वाजा believed that after hearing to those questions, Emperor Akbar will accept that Birbal is nothing in front of him and Birbal will not be able to give him a satisfactory answer to those difficult questions. Santoshjanak means something very satisfactory. Koshish means here to try. So, even if Birbal try, he won't be able to give a satisfactory answer. Chhakke chhoot jana means finally Birbal will lose and defeat. ख्वाजा साहब अचकन पगड़ी पहनकर दाढ़ी सहलाते हुए अकबर के पास पहुंचे और सिर झुकाकर बोले, बीरबल बड़ा बुद्धिमान बनता है. सो इन दिस लाइन लेट मी टेल यू द मीनिंग ऑफ अचकन. अचकन एक लंबा कोट है. इट्स अ लॉन्ग कोट विदाउट कॉलर, नॉर्मली फाउंड पीपल वेयरिंग इन द कोट. in the darbari they wear that. Now the pagdi is the turban which are worn mostly by the Sikh people nowadays. दाढ़ी सहलाते हुए, दाढ़ी means beard. When people normally speaks, they keep on giving strokes to their beard. So that is known as सहलाते हुए. So here let me tell you in English now what is happening. Khwaja Sara puts on his long coat and turban and went to the Emperor Akbar, giving a caring strokes to his beard. He bowed down in front of the emperor and said, Birbal thinks himself to be a very wise and intelligent. आप भी उसकी लंबी चौड़ी बातों के धोखे में आ जाते हैं. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप मेरे 3 सवालों के जवाब पूछकर उनके दिमाग की गहराई नाप लें. सो दिमाग की गहराई is the depth of knowledge. Of whom? Of Birbal. Let us measure the depth of the गहराई of Birbal. And लंबी चौड़ी बातें. Now the लंबी चौड़ी बातें means the big long speech given by the Birbal. So धोखे में आ जाते हैं. अकबर gets into So he gets into the trap and the emperor too gets misguided by his long and wide speech. उस नकली अकल बहादुर की कलाई खुल जाएगी. ना कलाई खुल जाएगी. इट्स अ ईडियम, एक मुहावरा है. कलाई खुल जाना मीन्स भेद खुल जाना. समथिंग विच विल बी डिस्क्लोज्ड. And one more idiom is there, Nakli Akal Bahadur. So here it means fake intelligence, bravery. Bahadur means bravery. Akal means intelligent and Nakli means fake. So Nakli, intelligence, bravery. So Birbal, here it mainly focuses on Birbal. Why don't you ask Birbal to answer these 3 questions to measure his depth of his knowledge? His fake intelligence bravery will be disclosed. थ्री सवाल मतलब 3 क्वेश्चन. ओके. ख्वाजा के अनुरोध करने पर अकबर ने बीरबल को बुलाया और उनसे कहा, बीरबल परम ज्ञानी ख्वाजा साहब तुमसे 3 प्रश्न पूछना चाहते हैं, क्या तुम उनके उत्तर दे सकोगे? सो हियर अनुरोध मीन्स टू रिक्वेस्ट, and param gyani, these are the words which are tough. Param gyani means most intelligent, and here the most intelligent person is referred to Khwaja Sara. So on request by Khwaja Sara to Emperor Akbar, Birbal was called into the court of Akbar, and the emperor referred to Birbal and said, the most intelligent Khwaja Sara wants you to answer his 3 questions. Will you be able to answer them? बीरबल बोले, जहाँ पना जरूर दूंगा, खुशी से पूछें. Now, जहाँ पना means king. As a respect we call him as my lord. खुशी से पूछें. खुशी means be happily you can ask me. So Birbal said, King my lord, surely I will give you the answer. You can ask me happily. ख्वाजा साहब ने अपने 3 सवाल लिखकर बादशाह को दे दिए. अकबर ने बीरबल से ख्वाजा का पहला प्रश्न पूछा, संसार का केंद्र कहाँ है? सो 3 सवाल, all the 3 question was given by the Khwaja. And what was the question? संसार का केंद्र कहाँ है? संसार means दुनिया, world, earth, and केंद्र means center. So what he want to say here is, the Khwaja Sara wrote question and gave him 3 question to the emperor, and the king brought forth his first question, that is, where is the center of the earth? बीरबल ने तुरंत जमीन पर अपनी छड़ी गाड़कर उत्तर दिया, यही स्थान चारों ओर से दुनिया के बीचों बीच पड़ता है. नाउ तुरंत मीन्स at the very moment. Okay, जमीन means the floor, and chhadi means a stick, and gadkar means pressing the stick into the floor. So the very moment Birbal pressed his stick into the floor and said, this place itself is the center of the earth from all the 4 sides. So यदि ख्वाजा साहब को विश्वास ना हो तो वे फीते से सारी दुनिया को नाप कर देख लें. Now फीता here means ribbon. Now if Khwaja is not happy or satisfied, he can take the ribbon and measure the earth. So if Khwaja Sara is not satisfied with the answer, take the ribbon and can measure the earth and prove me to be wrong, said the Birbal. अकबर ने दूसरा प्रश्न दिया, आकाश में कितने तारे हैं? Isn't it again a waste question? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का अर्थ ये है, how many stars are there in the sky? How can we count them? So then the Akbar said, the second question, how many stars are there in the sky? Stars are uncountable. Can we count the stars? No. So the second question was also the waste one. So we go for the next one. बीरबल ने एक भेड़ मंगवा कर कहा, इस भेड़ के शरीर में जितने बाल हैं उतने ही तारे आसमान में हैं. So the main meaning which you want to know is भेड़, which means sheep, and शरीर, which means body, and बाल. बाल means hairs. So what Birbal want to say is to bring a sheep and the hairs in its body is the same number for stars in the sky. Just as we can't count the hairs of the sheep, similarly we cannot count the stars in the sky. Okay? ख्वाजा साहब को इसमें संदेह हो तो वे बालों को गिनवा कर तारों की संख्या से तुलना कर लें. Now here संदेह means having doubt, and sankhya is the number, and finally tulna means to compare. So what Khwaja Sahab says here is, if he has any doubt, then he can count the number of hairs and compare them with that of the stars in the sky. So the third question. अब अकबर ने तीसरा सवाल किया, संसार की आबादी कितनी है. नाउ द मीनिंग ऑफ संसार यू नो ऑलरेडी, आई हैव सेड यू बिफोर, इज द वर्ल्ड, अर्थ, एंड आबादी मीन्स पॉपुलेशन. सो व्हाट इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन हियर इज, व्हाट इज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द अर्थ. बीरबल ने कहा, झापना, संसार की आबादी पल पल पर घटती बढ़ती रहती है, क्योंकि हर पल लोगों का मरना जीना लगा ही रहता है. सो हियर द मेन थिंग विच यू हैव टू नो इज पल पल. पल पल मीन्स टाइम टू टाइम. घटती बढ़ती is an opposite, okay, and up and down, keeps on going and coming down. And one more opposite is here, that is marna jeena, which means born and death. So what he wants to say here is, Birbal said to the Akbar, my lord, population on this earth keeps on changing up and down from time to time, as there is both death and birth at the same time. Okay? So next one. इसीलिए यदि सभी लोगों को एक जगह इकट्ठा किया जाए तभी उनको गिनती ठीक ठीक संख्या बताई जा सकती है. सो इकट्ठा मीन्स टू गैदर. सो द मेन थिंग विच यू आर सपोज टू नो हियर इज, if we can gather all at one place, we will be able to get the correct counting of the population of people. बादशाह तो बीरबल के उत्तरों से संतुष्ट हो गए, लेकिन ख्वाजा साहब नाक भौं सुकोड़ कर बोले, ऐसे गोल मोल जवाबों से काम नहीं चलेगा जनाब. सो द मेन थिंग संतुष्ट हियर मीन्स satisfied. Emperor is satisfied with all the answers of the Birbal, but there is still one person who is not satisfied. Do you know who is? He is Khwaja Sahab, and because of that reason he is not able to tolerate him. He is having hatred towards him, and that is the meaning, naak bho sukorna, can't tolerate anymore. Okay, now the golmol. Golmol means round about, something which is incomplete. So what he is saying here, Emperor Akbar was satisfied with the Birbal's answer, but Khwaja Sahab couldn't tolerate him and said, such roundabout and incomplete answers will not work here. बीरबल बोले, ऐसे सवालों से के ऐसे ही जवाब होते हैं. पहले मेरे जवाबों को गलत साबित कीजिए, तब आगे बढ़िए. So what Birbal said? Still a cunning reply. He said, answer to such questions will be the same such answers, but first you try to prove me wrong, then you can say anything else. So finally what happened, ख्वाजा साहब से फिर कुछ बोलते नहीं बना, and finally he couldn't say anything and he had to end there itself. So we can see who was the winner, who had more intelligence. Still, the answers were such nicely placed that Khwaja couldn't say to him anything. So, did you like the story? It was nice, no? So, what have you understood from the story? We must not try to demean others by considering oneself as more intelligent. Always respect the qualities of others. Okay, let me tell you in Hindi also. हमें कभी भी अपने आप को ज़्यादा बुद्धिमान नहीं समझना चाहिए. दूसरे भी बुद्धिमान होते हैं, हमें उनको भी मौका देना चाहिए. सदा दूसरों के गुणों का आदर व सम्मान करना चाहिए. एंड दिस इज व्हाट मेक अस मोर गुड instead of having jealous from others. Okay. Hope you like this story. And the more thing, important thing is we must gather some intelligence and wisdom from Birbal so that we can apply them in a real life. Okay. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Bye.